So welcome to Kelo TV, where we teach and we guide how to create a game, how to create an app. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So in today's uh, live stream, I'm going to show you what you're going to learn from this video. So make sure you stay till the end so that you're going to miss anything at all. So here on the screen, if you're watching now, you're going to see what I'm going to discuss here, what you will learn in this live stream. Okay, number one, you're going to learn how to design a beautiful wallet web app. That is the UI using the Flutter, and also going to show you the setting it up with the API for authentication and transactions. And the third one, you're going to know how to connect it with the database for user and wallet data transactions. And the fourth one, you're going to know how to integrate the Paystack and Flutterwave payment gateways. The fifth one, you're going to know how to implement a wallet funding transfer and bill payment. The sixth one, you're going to know how to add the Firebase authentication and notification for registering and logging in into the system. So the seventh one, you're going to also know how to deploy the backend to render railway as well. And the last one, that is the eighth one, you're going to know how to publish your app to Google Play Store. So these are all things that I'm going to cover under this tutorial. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So if you have questions, even as I'm here on the live stream, make sure you drop any question you have for me, and I will explain anything even while I go with the tutorial step by step. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you, where you're going to see the live live code, and here we're going to begin the tutorial together. So here you can see, I hope you can see here. So this project, as I said earlier in one of my video where I record it as short as it should be for quick guidance in the wallet web app transfer. You know, I do my videos two steps, where I guide in short time so that you understand the basics, and while I take my time to go deeply so that you have an idea on how this works. Okay, so if you check in here into this code, you're going to see all the implementation of the, I'm trying to share my coding app. That is, I use Visual Studio and Flutter as well. So I'm trying to share it because I'm using uh, a web uh, a web live stream, so not a software for me to link everything I can link. My software, I use OBS, so there's an, that's why I'm not able to use that particular software for this tutorial. Okay, so here, as I said, these are all the list of the files. You know, if you remember that I always tell you to make sure you know how to use a prompt for all your projects, especially if you don't have the knowledge, the idea at all. There's several ways you can go, or maybe I share the formula with you There's so many ways that you can do that. So why I'm telling you this is going to give you the idea, the knowledge on how to get your project starting. Because without the structure of how you want to get it started, there's no way, no how you you're going to begin or you're going to start it. So make sure you know how to get started. Make sure you pick a piece of paper, you structure, make sure you know take your time. So what you're seeing now from this sidebar are all the structure needed for this design. So anyone missing that will make the app not to work the way it should be. So that is why I said you need to take your time. You make sure you you have the correct structure of the design of what you're going to design. Okay. So as you can see from the beginning, you can see I have app.tsx, and you can see here a file with combination of you can see the components of what is here. So all this one can be structured, and let me show you if you don't know how to get all these structures. Okay, once you have these structures, you can get this kind of app created by using AI. But if you don't have the structure, then it's going to be very difficult for app to be created the way it should be. Okay, so I hope you're with me. So if you have anything you don't understand, even while I continue, kindly indicate or ask so that I can, dive in and explain while we continue with the live stream. And okay, so you can see, okay, let me show you as I said. So the next step, if you don't know at all how to begin with this, I'm going to show you from here. I'm trying to share my next tab of my screen, my browser, so that you see it. So here you can see, now here you can see, I want to show you what you can do in order to get a structure of any design or any app. You know, prompt is very important in all of this. So as you can see, with this you can ask any of the AI to help you uh, to structure your project, the file. Uh, so here, if I'm going to say, sorry, okay. So I'm going to show you. I want to type, so that is why. So just give me a few seconds. Just a few seconds. So sorry for the interruption. So as I said, so here you're going to write the prompt. You have to specify a prompt here, like you can write example. So because in this, okay, write a a structure a structure a structure files of, so you now mention the name of the app which you want to create, like write a structure file for, sorry, is for a a plant identifier app. So this is going to explain. Now with this, it's to understand that you are asking of the structure. You are not asking that the AI should build a plant identifier app for you, but you are telling the AI to understand that you need the structure. You're telling the AI that you need the structure for the design, the structure of the design. So with this, you can go ahead and click enter or search. So it's going to write what are the files needed in the design of this. So you can see here is a complete folder structure for the plant identifier. So you know it to understand that it needs a structure files. The files are those files which I show you from this from here. So these are the structures files. So in any web design, in any game development, in any app creation, it always goes with the structure of the design. What do you need in the design? So you need user to log in, you need user to transfer money, you need user to receive money. So all those things are structures of what you need, and in app creation to focus on, if you even tell the AI and the structure given, you're also going to check it one by one, and if there's any that you think is missing, you can kindly hide it yourself, and that is how it works. So here, let me show you the structure of the file I asked. So here you can see the structure. It's actually structured all what I said. Here you can see plant identifier app. You can see why I'm telling you this, so that you understand how I was able to get the structures of this design. Okay, so here you can see we have app.js, and you can see package.json, and you can see the balance babel.configuration.js, and you can see metro.configuration.js, and you can see array slash iOS. So all this, and you can see the app icon also will be implemented as well. So with all these prompts, you can see a lot of things. You can see search bar, loader.js, environment, error message.js, and you can see a lot of things. So this is how to get this prompt. So with this, you can see the color.js is also implemented. So here you can see this is how to get the structure. So with this structure, you can go to any other AI is going to understand your design completely than you asking that you want to build, than you just going to AI and asking AI that you want to build an app. So you see nothing will happen for you. So that's how it works. Okay, so with this file, you can still use, I'll just give you example with the plant identifier. So here, if you come in here, you see how long the structure of this file is. So if you come in here, you can write here that this AI should write. Okay, let me also show you the example as well. So this is actually a good beginner video tutorial for you if you have no idea on how to get started with coding using AI. So AI can actually do a lot of things for you, but you also have to know that sometimes there's an error. So why I said you should structure this file is that with this design, if there's something happening and you understand that this particular file call, because with this you should be able to understand, uh, you can see the naming of the structures. If you go down here, you can see where it says index.html. Here, what is here is all about the structure. So if the building of the app structure is not well arranged, so you can go back here and you copy this code, complete code from here, and you head to another AI and tell the AI that this complete code, some things are missing and things are not aligned the way it should be aligned. And other AI is going to write it again. Once you write it, you can copy it again and come back and remove what is here and paste the one which we copied, and then have a look of this design, and for you to be sure that your design is going well. So here, if I show you my own design, you're going to see it from here. I don't know if I show it full screen. Okay, yes. So here you can see the design of my full screen here. So this is how you're going to be designing, and you're going to be going, knowing your design is going well or not. So is there, okay, I'm coming. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use that structure file which we create together. Thank you for watching. I see people were actually watching, but some people have dropped. So I'm going to show you what to do with the structure file next. So if you understand how this structure file works, then you can create any kind of project, because that is where the difficult in creation of the web app and games and even website as well. So as you can see, it's very okay. So here I'm going to show you. So let me show you. Okay, so this is our structure file which we created it together. Here I want to show you. Okay, which we created it together. So what we're going to copy this structure file, and let me go to the next AI. So you can use ChatGPT to create a structure file, and at the same time you can give the file to ChatGPT to create the app for you as well. So let me show you. So here I go, and I'm going to show you, and you're going to see how this is going to design. So in any project, as I said, you need a structure file, and when you tell the AI to structure the file for you, make sure you check the structure file if there's anything you need to add. So now the next, as I said, the structure file, let me show you the next step. So the next step, here we come, here we go with the, so the next step, I want to use a Google AI Studio for this tutorial. Okay, after I have generated the structure file of my app, the next thing is for me to come to Google AI Studio. There's other several AI Studio that you can build your app, and you can deploy it automatically from. You can see this is the web. This is the plant identifier app which we created as structure file. I'm going to send. So I'm going to send for the we're going to send the prompt for the building, and here it's here, and you can see the building has started. So this web app is going to be created for us with the help of having to know that there's what is called the structure file in the development of the app. So it's building our web app. So you can see all the files which we have given. You can see it's writing each of the files. You can see the index.html. So even if you don't have knowledge about coding, I'm just guaranteeing you that you can build an application on your own by having to follow my steps. You can do that without you. The only thing you can do, you can always find guidance if there's anything you're missing. So you can see it's going to preview the app for us. So here you can see the app is asking that allow this app to request access to camera, allow, and here you can see the app may not work properly without the permission. So you can see very interesting, the app notifying us what to do next. So if I click allow, you're going to see the design, and here you can see how beautiful this. Here you can see this is the design. You can see you can see you can see. So with this design, if there's any modification which those modifications can be done. So all this I'm showing you to tell you how I was able to come up with this design. Okay, so how I was able to come with this uh, structural design about this app. So not too difficult. Always make sure you understand how it. So you can see in few minutes we were able to create this web app. So let's test it together to see how the app it's working. Let me go to. We need to test so that you know that what we are creating or what we created it's real. So here I go. Let me search for. I think I have done a video about this web app and I have given the code. So if you need, let me know, because a lot of guys out there has the code they can share with you. Make sure you modify before, so that the app will be different from others app. So that is how it works. So I'm still I want to download any, I want to download any image of leaf so that we identify it together, and let's see how. Okay, so in a few seconds. I'm going to okay. So now let's check. Okay, the it's downloading, so that is why the delay is happening. Okay, so it's downloading, and for us to upload and see the design. Okay, you can see plant identifier AI. Okay, let me drag the file and drop into the design. If it doesn't work, then okay. There's another thing, good thing to work with this AI. You can see it's only access of uploading an image, so it doesn't have the camera capture where you can click on camera icon and automatically the automatically your camera will snap any plant and it's going to identify. So now let's try. If there's any error in identifying, it's simple that you can resolve the issue within a short period of time. That's using AI. So here, if you take a look of that leaf, if you know mango leaf, you can actually tell me that that is mango leaf. I didn't want to say I was downloading a mango leaf and that was a